National Coconut Day. So we're gonna whip up a super healthy drink using some of our dark chocolate coconut truffle here. Everything that we add to this latte today is gonna have some kind of health benefit to it. I'll go through just a couple of things in case you're unaware of them. And I can add more details to this post as well so that you are able to see why we included these things into the latte to make it like a superfood latte. We are going to use, so like I said, some freshly brewed dark chocolate coconut truffle. I have about a half a mug here. You're gonna want a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Maybe cut that in half. If you're pretty sensitive to spices, you could do a quarter of a teaspoon. Turmeric is a very potent anti-inflammatory. It's also full of antioxidants. It has health benefits to it outside of that, as like for glowing skin, people will use it, things of that nature. It's a superfood spice, amazing. We're also gonna add in a teaspoon of some local organic honey that I have here to sweeten up our drink. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil, which is said to help boost energy and also helps the body's response with burning fat. So that's another extra bonus in there. And then we're gonna also throw in some coconut milk here. I have unsweetened, unflavored coconut milk here. This is gonna be another thing that's just gonna help with the flavor of our latte. Very good addition for a lactose-free ingredient to add to this to make it dairy-free. So I have my freshly brewed dark chocolate coconut truffle here, and we're gonna throw all of these ingredients into our blender, and this is basically just gonna froth everything together for us. So let's go ahead and get started here. We've got our half of a mug of the dark chocolate coconut truffle. Again, that was freshly brewed, so it's hot. We're gonna add to this that 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. And this is kind of like a meal in itself with everything that's included here. That half a teaspoon of turmeric, the 1 teaspoon of honey. If you prefer, you could do even like a maple syrup would be good as a sweetener in this. Again, we're trying to keep this, full of all those health properties to keep this as nutritious as possible. There's many different combinations you can come up with different additives and spices. 4 ounces of that coconut milk to make this our latte. And we're just gonna blend this all together. Once it's nice and frothy, you are finished, and you're just gonna pour this directly into your mug and enjoy. Look at this beautiful color. So good and so full of amazing health properties to it as well. As usual, if you try this, please let us know. I always love to know what you guys think. I want to hear what other things you might add to this as well. I think that cinnamon, there's so many amazing things that you could add to this, but we just kept it pretty simple. And I think that it would be a great way to celebrate National Coconut Day. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.